Hey, Saif here. In this quick video, I will show you 3 simple ways of adding custom code inside Webflow. So whether it's maybe a Google Analytics or third-party scripts or maybe just simple CSS code you want to add. So here's how you can do it. Let's get started. Method 1 is project setting. Head over to Webflow dashboard. Here you can see all your projects. So whichever project you want to add, click on the 3 icons on that particular one and click on the settings icon. Here you should be able to see custom code button. Click on that. Whatever code you add, it will be added to all of the pages on the website. So for example, here you can see I have added some CSS code which will be added to all of the pages. It may be a Google tag script. So whatever you want, you can add it here. Method 2 is page setting. So inside Webflow Designer, click on the pages icon. And here you should be able to see all the pages. So whichever page you want, you can just hover on it and you should be able to see a gear icon. Click on it and scroll to the bottom, and here you should be able to see custom code section. You can basically click on that, and here similarly you can see head and body tag. So whatever you add will be added just specific to this particular page. For example, here you can see I have added a marquee library which is used for this moving icons. So this will just be added to this particular page. Once you have added it, make sure to save the changes. So method 3 is embed element. This element you can find it in elements tab. Click on the plus icon and search for code, and you should be able to see code embed element. Just drag and drop wherever you want. For example, I'm dropping it below this paragraph. Here, for example, let's say if I want a style tag, I'll just add that and save and close. So whatever changes I save here should be affected on the page. This is just an example, but your case it may be WhatsApp chat widget you want to be placed on the bottom right of the page. So you can also add that particular part here. So also don't forget to publish your changes. So you should be able to see all the changes on the live website rather than inside Webflow. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and share and subscribe in case you want to see more of Webflow and JavaScript tips. If you want us to take care of your entire marketing website, links in the description. Reach out. Peace. Thank you.